Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Daneben Arrows by Palfly Kampling. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. Also, we have these arrows in the grid. Whatever digit goes in the arrow, let's say a 3 goes here, we count that many away. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 is next to it. So 1, 2, 3. We count to here. We count to here. And that digit must be one higher or one lower than the digit on the arrow cell. So this could be a 4 or this could be a 2 in this case. So that's it. Those are all the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. How do we get started is always the question. So this can't be pointing more than 2 away. So this is a 1 or a 2. And so if it was a 1, it would have to place a 2 here. And if it was a 2, it would place a 1 or a 3 here. Now that does mean that one of these two will be a 2, at least. Because either this is a 2, in which case, yes, one of those two is a 2, or this is a 1, and the only digit 1 away from 1 is a 2. So one of these two is a 2. So this cell, so that actually eliminates 2. So if we highlight these see all the greens and these see all the greens. So that eliminates 2 from all of these cells. So I'm actually going to write 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 here to remind myself of that. Now 6 is obviously not going to be on an arrow like this, and 5 is also too far away. 6 is never on any arrows. That's something we should definitely think about. These, I don't know how to limit these cells because it depends on whether this is 1 or 2. So let's hold off on that. But like I said, either this is a 2 or this is a 1 or a 3. This can be up to 5. Let's see, this can also only be up to 2. This is also 1 or 2. Okay, so we get a 1-2 pair in the box. So that's not a 1, that's not a 1. Now that means one of these two is a 2. So these cells see these and these. So these also aren't 2. These are from 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that there's a 2 in one of these two. Okay. But, okay, is it but? I was going to say if this is a 2, it makes both of these 1, but it just means both of these could be 1. It doesn't mean both of these have to be 1. But we definitely have a 1-3 here or a 1-3 here, or both. It could be a 1-3 pair. Let's think about this being 2. So if this was 2, this would be 3, and this would be 4. That all seems to work. Okay. What else is limited? This one can only be up to 3. So this is, oh, and it can't be 1 or 2. Okay, I think I'm finally finding the path. I think I'm making this more complicated than it needs to be, per usual. So that's not a 3. Okay, so now this can't be a 3, which means this can't be a 2. Let's fill this first though before I forget. This is a 2. This can't be 2 because the 2 is pointing down. So this is a 4. And now this is a 3. Hold on, let me do this logic first. This can't be 2 because 2 away, this can't be a 1 or a 3. So this is the 2. That does mean one of these can be 1. Actually, we knew one of those was going to be 1. For some reason, I decided that both of these could be 2, and I don't see how I decided that. Anyway, I got this 3. That puts a 1 or... Sorry, that puts a 2 or a 4 here. Okay. Now, this can't actually be a 4, because 4 in this box is over here. So it has to be a 2. In fact, these are 4, 5, 6. Definitely have a 4 in them. These are 1, 5, 6. The 1 works. How about 6 definitely doesn't work on an arrow. 5 also works. Okay. So we don't know that yet. These are also 4, 5, 6. And then these are 1, 5, 6. And there's definitely a 1 over here, and there's definitely a 4 up here. Okay. How about this arrow? 1, 2, 3, 4. So naively, oh, it actually can't be 1, 2, 3, or 4. So this has to be 1 with a 2 next to it. Nice. Now this one could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be up to 5. It can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to go through these one at a time, the 2, 3, 5. So 2 would go here. That doesn't work. We can't be 1 or 3. 3 would go here. That would make this a 4. And then 5 would go here, and I don't think this one's very restricted. It would make this a 4 or a 6. Okay, so it's not that one. Which one is it? Have I done all the arrows to my satisfaction? I think all of these work. Yeah, okay, so there must be some Sudoku that I'm missing. Yeah, this 2 goes here. Specifically, this 2 goes here, but 2 in this box goes right there. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, so this 2 means this has to be a 3. Nice. Because it couldn't be 1 anymore. This is from 4, 5, 6, but not a 4. This is from 5, 6. So 3 is over here somewhere. There must just be more Sudoku, because this isn't going to resolve itself. I think everything's resolved arrow-wise. So it must be Sudoku. Okay, 3's in one of these 2. 2's maybe? Yeah, 2 is placed up here. 2's are done. These are from 3, 5, 6. 6 is down here. So 6 in this column is up here somewhere. I seem to be, this puzzle's themes for me seems to be missing the easy thing and doing the hard thing. This doesn't have a 4 in it, so this is 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay. What am I missing about this? Over here I need a 4. So this is 3, 4, 5. It's not a 3. How about here? 4, 5, 6. Nope. Okay, is there an arrow I missed? 1 could go to 2, 5 can go to 4. 1 to 2, 3 goes to 4, 1 goes to 2. 3, it must be this 3, 5 then. Let me look at this again. I missed that. So 3 would force a 4 here. 5, this 2 actually that I placed removed the ability for this to be 5. Maybe I should have like colored the options. I don't know. Anyway, so this is 3 and this is 4, and that'll help a lot. Deet deet doot in the corner. Nice. That's not 3, 1, 5, 6. These aren't 3s. That forces 3 and 4 here. This is not 3. These aren't 4s. So that's a 5, 6 pair. That puts the 3 there. These are a 1 and a 4. So this is 1, this is 4. That puts the 1 there. This is not 1. These aren't 4. That's not 1. Okay, so this ends up being the 5. That's 6 and 1. That's 6, 1, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, and 6, and we're done. All right, so I missed that when I got this 2, that it affected this arrow. I just did not scan that properly, so that's what I missed for a little bit. But yeah, cool puzzle, Palfly. I enjoyed this idea of how these arrows worked. Looks like we're getting creative with arrows recently, and I very much enjoy that. It's a cool idea. And if you enjoyed it, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.